So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus, and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. Anyways, we are now moving on. This is how to make over $100 per hour. This is an article that I found. You want to read this?
Yeah. Driving for Uber is one way to earn extra side hustle income. After all, the more income you make, the sooner you can reach financial independence. Side hustles are a part of the post-pandemic era of making money.
Yep.
Uber is currently desperate for drivers again as the economy rebounds from the pandemic. A lot of drivers quit driving in 2020 for safety and lower pay reasons. Drivers are coming back, but not fast enough. So for those of you who want to join the six-figure club, it's relatively straightforward. Basically, it's this easy, guys. You just charge $50 an hour for 40 hours a week for 52 weeks in a row, and you'll get to the six-figure club.
Who are you charging?
Yeah.
If you drive, okay, so that's an ad for the course. This is how you do it driving for Uber. Okay. You want to read that part?
Yeah, I decided to drive for Uber because the company is one of the most popular private companies in the world, valued at $50 billion and based right here in San Francisco. I wanted to see what it felt like driving a car for a living. Anyways, after driving for 2 months, I knew I could easily make $50K a year driving 40 hours a week. But what I didn't expect or believe was that many drivers were actually making a solid $100K a year. I had to learn.
Guys, if you're an Uber driver, you could easily make $100K a year. That's barely $2,000 a week. That's less than $2,000 a week.
Yeah.
You just gotta drive like 80 hours a week, and that's it. Really easy.
Yeah.
So basically what he did is he bought a second car and then rented it out on Turo, basically, or what? You basically got to get a side hustle. That's why you got to sign up for Play Octopus, Solo for guaranteed income, and get that $10 bonus, because that $10 bonus will help you reach your goal of $100K.
Yeah. Every dollar counts. Every cent counts.
But for real, guys, you should sign up for Elite Hustle University because, yeah, you can learn how to make money too.
Yeah.
But yeah, $100K a year, basically. Let's do some quick math. Let me get out my calculator. What is that? If you want to do $100K a year divided by 12 months, that's $8,000 a month. Yeah, $8,000 per month. So it's like around 2K per week. So, do you think it's possible driving for Uber, guys?
I know people who have done that.
Yeah,
I interviewed them.
Yeah, like Ronnie SPE Tv.
Ronnie SPE Tv.
Is it SPE or SPE?
Yeah, it's SPE.
I thought it was SPE.
And then, and his friend.
Yeah, guys, this guy makes over $100K a year doing Uber. Look at him. I don't know what he's doing there, but I guess these are all he's imitating the drivers who don't make $100K per year.
I don't know what he's doing.
Yeah, you also gotta get some cool shades. Yeah, big shout out to Ronnie SPE Tv. Go subscribe to him, but he will make $2,000 a week. I believe he has a course as well, right?
Does he?
I thought he has a course on, yeah, he has a course on how to make 2K per week as an Uber driver. No?
Oh, I didn't even know that.
Oh, maybe not, maybe not. Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.